What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how we draw Fibonacci lines, Fibonacci retracement lines. Yes. Let's dive straight. First, the use of these Fibonacci retracement lines, they show us the direction of the market and when to buy and when to sell. Yes, when to buy and when to sell. First, they help us also to determine the trend. So this trend is bullish. It's buying. Bullish means buying. So first, let's head straight. This is the daily time frame of gold. Yeah, we go to first. We go to insert. Go to objects. Go to insert. Go to objects. Go to Fibonacci. Then go to Fibonacci retracement. So we draw Fibonacci retracement lines from the swing low to the swing high of the time frame. So this is gold. We can draw from here or here, and I want from here to here. So this 23.6, 38.2, 50, and 61.8, these are called the golden numbers. These are called the Fibonacci golden numbers. Yes. So we are looking to buy on this level, on this level, on this level, and on this level. Yes. So these levels also act as support and resistance levels. Yes, you see here, this 61.8, it shows it's like an area of support and resistance. 50, 38.2, etc., etc. But we need to these numbers, these 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Yes. So after drawing those ones, we determine the trend. So gold is in the bullish trend. They are buying gold. So we go to the 15 minutes time frame. When we go to the 15 minutes time frame, instead gold is selling. But we are determining that our trend according to the daily time frame. So let's look for buys somewhere here. Hold on a bit. Yes. Let's look. Okay. So here I'm going to draw my fib. You can access it from here also. Here, fib retracement. From here, the swing low. Swing low to the swing high. This one. Yes. So here we shall buy here on this level. We buy here. We buy here. And we buy here. You get what I mean? If you want to sell, you draw the levels from, when we sell, we draw from the swing high to the swing low. Sell, you draw from here to here. So you can sell here, sell here, sell here, sell here. When price retraces here, you sell here, you sell here, you sell. Yes, that's how you draw Fibonacci lines. So anything you don't understand, let me know. And you can read more about Fibonacci on the BabyPips website. I'll show you a bit. BabyPips. You go to Google and put BabyPips Fibonacci. Fibonacci retracement. You can read more about everything here on BabyPips, Fibonacci retracement lines, how to draw. Yes. Yep. I'm going to put the link of BabyPips there. Yes. So that's it, guys. Anything you don't understand, let me know. Happy trading day. All the best. Yes. Happy trading day. All the best. See you in yet another video. Bye.